Hello everyone, I am Ranjit from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we will see the concept of stakeholder in CDGC. The agenda of today's session is what is stakeholder, and then we will move on to the quick demo on how stakeholder works in data governance and catalog. Stakeholder. In data governance and catalog, a stakeholder is accountable for all the activities and maintenance related to a particular object. Stakeholders for assets can be assigned to individual users or a group or multiple users. When you assign stakeholders for an object, users know whom to communicate with when they are considering definitions for an object and understanding the effects of changes to an object. And the concept of stakeholder is applicable for both business and technical assets in data governance and catalog. Now we will see on the quick demo on how stakeholder works in data governance and catalog. For this demo, we have created two different users in IACS. So one is Stakeholder Pro APSC1 and the other user is Stakeholder Pro APSC2. So now we will create the asset from Stakeholder Pro APSC1. So to create a new business asset, click on New and select the type of business asset. So here I will choose this business term. So provide the name and click on create. So this will create the business term in data governance and catalog. And here we could see that the columns like description attributes are updatable. Since there are no stakeholders added for this particular asset, even the other user can able to update or edit the particular asset. So now I have logged in as APSC2. And here also we could able to see that the description and attribute, all other attributes plus of the asset can be editable. Now let us add the stakeholders for this asset. So here I have added the user 1 as the stakeholder of this asset, which means that the complete asset will be governed by this particular user, that is APSC1. And after adding the stakeholders, only stakeholders should be able to edit the descriptions or other attributes present in this particular asset. Now when we logged in as APSC2, we will be able to see that the edit option is not present, which means that only the user 1 should be able to edit this particular asset. Since user 2 is not added as the stakeholder of business term demo, the user 2 will not be able to edit any attributes present in this particular asset. In case of any necessity like or user 1's absence, there is a need like the user 2 needs to update the asset. In that case, if the user 2 is having the super admin role, then the user can add himself as the stakeholder or other person as the stakeholder, and the persons who is added as the stakeholder will be able to update the asset. So in this case, currently we could see that the user 2 is not having any access to update the description or other attributes present in this particular asset. So now let me add user 2 as the stakeholder of this asset. So now we have added the APSC2 user as the stakeholder for this asset. And since user 2 is added as a stakeholder, now user 2 also will be able to update or edit the asset. We would love to hear feedback from you. Thanks for watching.